The whole industry is affected. The capacity is too low for all players like automotive industry and consumer electronics. And so it's a troubleshooting day by day. Up to now, we were able to be flexible in Porsche, but it's too early to predict what will happen in the next week or in the next month. And therefore, we have a very clear, tough plan to work day by day. It's short term, but also we have to prepare the future and to have a clear analysis, where do we have the weak points in the supply chain.
How many cars sales do you think you've missed out on so far because of the chip shortage?
So far, we haven't missed cars because of our flexibility. We checked what volume we can produce in the second half of the year and where do we have to prioritize. For example, the 911, which is sold out nearly in this year. We are continuing to produce, and other cars we can switch a bit. And that was the flexibility we do have, but it's daily work.
The margins were amazing in the fourth quarter. What led to such high margins, and what can you keep from that this year?
Yeah, first of all, in 2020, at the end, we were very happy about our result. And the base of our result is a very strong and innovative product portfolio, but also our crisis management. We started from the first day on when Corona came up with all the financial issues, costs and liquidity. And so we were able to achieve at the end a profit margin of around 15% and operating result over 4 billion euros. For this year, we started perfectly in this year in order intake and deliveries. And so we are very optimistic what could happen in this year. And I think it could be possible to achieve 15% profitability again, but we have to watch very deeply what happens on the semiconductor shortages and the Corona situation in the different regions of the world.
So, I mean, Porsche has historically had very high margins. Even before becoming part of Volkswagen, you were the most profitable car maker in the world. Then you worked with them, with Volkswagen, at arm's length contracts on the Cayenne chassis and interior, on Panamera body panels. Why can't you work as an independent company, continue to earn margins like that, but get a valuation that's more like a Ferrari or even a Tesla valuation?
Yeah, to work together in the Volkswagen Group is a win-win situation. And I think Porsche helps the Volkswagen Group by its very positive results. And we have advantages of the scale effects we do have. And so I think beside of all the IPO discussions we do have in the market, there's nothing decided. It has to be decided by the Volkswagen Group. It's not a topic for Porsche.